Hello, everybody. My name is Amit Bhandari. I'm one of the directors with Mine Excellence. Mine Excellence provides digital platform for drill and blast. I've got one of my colleagues with me here with me, please.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sanjay Purohit, and I'm heading the mining team at Mine Excellence.
Thanks, Sanjay. So mining companies try and optimize drill and blast on a continuous basis, though it's proven harder to achieve. Today, I'm going to share my thoughts on the matter with you. Thank you. I'm going to share my screen now. Did this at ISE Australia a couple of years ago. It talks about why digital drill and blast is a large technology area. For a mining or a quarry company, the explosive company comes and tells them they provide the best explosives. The drilling rig operator comes and tells them they'll provide them the best business outcome, but they do not get the meal. Digitally, drill and blast is a large technology area. You've got blast design and simulation. You've got blast data management and analysis, analytics and optimization, integration with trucks and drill rigs. You may want fragmentation, image analysis, and there are companies who specialize in just doing that. People wanting to do machine learning, artificial intelligence in drill and blast. You've got integration with mine planning or drone-based data, etc. You've got QA, QC. So it's a large technology area, and it is important to understand all of this when you go for optimization in drill and blast. So what are the key components of digital strategy for drill and blast? So first, from an internal perspective, from your mine or a quarry perspective, what is my return on investment? What am I aiming for? Is it drill and blast cost reduction, or am I aiming for downstream optimization as well? And it's the target that would determine a number of things. So how do I quantify the benefits? Is there a baseline? What is the effort/bandwidth in order to achieve that return on investment? What is stopping that return of investment? Is it my internal resources? Is it the lack of a tool? Is the lack of skill sets? Is being able to analyze all of that information? And what is the model am I aiming for? Is it a self-service model? Is it an assisted model or a full service model? I'm talking about digitization, not actually doing the whole thing. Another important factor is the people side. What are the skill sets of my people? What would be the change that would be required if we were to move from a doing to an analysis direction? Is there any desire for optimization within my company? What are their KPIs? What were the new skill sets that may be required, i.e. usage of drones, data analysis capability, finding the time to do that analysis, ecosystem, who are my explosive providers, who are my drilling contractors, who is my fleet from, will it change, what systems do I have in place, what are my constraints? So those are things that go into the mix when you're determining a digital strategy. Now, what do you need to get in place is the tool and architecture. So what should be the system characteristics to ensure a consistent optimized drill and blast outcome? What are the key components in drill and blast improvements? Do I require an enterprise system? What level of accuracy should I be aiming for? Can I get? What is the data analysis needs? What sort of flexibility? Would an out-of-box system suit my needs, or do I need something that may suit my process or my workflow? Am I aiming to optimize one blast or every blast? And this is a very simple question, but it is quite important, right? If you're wanting to optimize every blast, then data analysis becomes a crucial activity. The team that you're going to be working with, does it have detailed knowledge about drill and blast? Would changes in the future direction make it cost-effective, capable, and flexible? Will it have a proven track record? And is it future-enabled? So when I say future-enabled, think 2 or 4 years down the track. What is the direction for quarries/mines in digital? And what do I anticipate? Greater data analysis. Look, you have to have the base components in place first before you attempt things like machine learning, AI. Would it be automated and predictability, use of drones, etc.? So Mine Excellence has implemented its platform in over 10 countries. And our learnings from that is continuous improvements in Drill and Blast is a combination of process, education, system, and analysis. Process meaning you require a consistent, repeatable process for a mine site and perhaps for all sites within the enterprise. A habit of getting into planning / a process flow that would be suitable for your organization. Things like being able to do QA/QC before blasting. Another important factor is the education. So Mine Excellence has taught over 1,500 mining engineers in blasting. So the vision, the reason, and the purpose of what you're trying to do should be very clear. And like if you're doing front row burdens, okay, what would be the impact of not doing that? What safety constraints am I putting in place due to fly rock, etc. Systems. All aspects of Drill and Blast can be recorded and analyzed for analysis and optimization. And analysis, once you have the system and have a feedback loop, that's where the real power of the system comes in place, please.
Now I'm going to hand over to my colleague Sanjay Purohit to talk about future directions in Drill and Blast.
Once we talk about future direction in Drill and Blast, it should be fully digitized and integrated with all other operations. Every blast should be optimized, and the Mine Excellence tag is every blast optimized. I just see across 4 different areas. The first one is mining engineers' skill set upgradation. A real need of skill upgradation from just doing to doing and analyzing. Greater skill in Drill and Blast. Understanding the various impacts of things like heterogeneity of rock, geological disturbances, phase profile, bench undulations, front row burden, etc. And digitization helps to analyze all these things in a quick and accurate way. And that leads to process optimization. Secondly, I think it should be an integrated approach. Greater integration with systems like mine planning, smart rigs, explosive trucks, load and haul, crushers, etc. So the more process-oriented solution with data flowing from one process to another, eliminating most of human intervention and reduces all possible errors and enhancing safety. Another thing is analysis as a service. It is very important to analyze your blast results to optimize future upcoming blast. It can be done internally and may be outsourced. So what we think that it should be available as a service, and Mine Excellence provides all these analysis as a service. How's your blast performs? How's your fragmentation? What about the vibrations, fly rock? So we are doing the video analysis, stemming ejection and all, how you are utilizing your explosive energy. So all these analysis will be available on every aspect of Drill and Blast, and this is our vision to support our client. We have implemented in 10 countries and also providing these kind of analysis services to some of our clients on regular basis. Lastly, the accuracy and predictability in every blast. So the greater use of advanced tools like drones, borehole trackers, etc. We can improve accuracy for bench levels, front row burdens, depth and inclination of the holes, etc. But it will not stop till there. AI and machine learnings. So using our past blast data, we can predict more accurately about fragmentation, ground and air vibrations, fly rocks, muck pile displacement, etc. to make our process more safe and environmental friendly. Ease of use. It's all about practicability. What did Apple and Samsung do with their phones? They made it more user friendly. And in the same way, the system which we are using should be more practicable, more user-friendly and easy to use. And we are trying to make our system more efficient and user-friendly. We have only covered the high-level points in future digital direction in drill and blast. Each of these can, of course, be elaborated extensively. We are an innovative organization and would love to join people in our journey forward. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. Thank you.